If you have a thesis that you've got to do that is quite a few pages long, or you're writing a book, or you are taking the minutes of a meeting that also involves a webcam, then this video will help you considerably, because I'll show you step by step how to use a system that'll save you time and frustration, in that you won't need to type anything and you also won't need to write anything, and at the end you will have a copy of it in quite a few formats. So having said that, let's dive straight into it and I'll show you step by step what I mean. Yeah, as you can see, I have gone onto the internet and I'm going to look for TurboScribe. That has brought me onto the TurboScribe page. Here you can see it here. Click on that and that'll bring you into TurboScribe itself. Here you can see that I am logged on. Here you can see the pricing formats that TurboScribe has got. I am a free subscriber. In this case, I can get 3 transcripts daily, 30-minute uploads, and lower priority. If you are a small company, then you could go on to TurboScribe Unlimited, which is $10 a month, and it gives you unlimited subscriptions, 10-hour uploads, all features. We also have the option of TurboScribe for Teams. This is $120 per year, and it gives you access management, 50% savings, and simplified billing. Over here it says all users on your plan are billed under a single subscription. Having said that, we can go back to TurboScribe here. Here you can see files that I've already loaded and downloaded, and over here you've got your microphone, which allows you to create a voice input. You can also go onto search to search transcripts that you might have done that you can't find. I'm going to go onto this here. That now opens up this screen here, showing that it is reading the microphone. If I click allow, then you'll see that all of the audio is recorded. I'm going to let it record for a small period of time, but so that you can at least see what happens. You also give a notification that you are on record. Your language here is English UK, but by clicking on that download, you could change it to whatever language that you would prefer. Having said that, I'm going to click on transcribe, which is now going to stop this recording. There to stop the recording, and it's downloading it. Over here you'll see it has brought up transcribe, and you can see the status. It is actually working. The reason why I use the whale recording is because it is the slowest recording, but it is the most accurate recording. I would say it is 99%, maybe 99% plus accurate. If you click on this over here, it allows you to open the transcript, export the transcript, share, download, etc. So what we can do here is we can say open transcript. This brings us onto this screen over here. Here it shows you part of the transcript over here. Unlimited, yeah, it's telling you to go unlimited. That's the paid version. Having done that, you can see that you can export the download PDF, download docs, download TXT, download SRT, advanced export. I'm going to click on advanced export and show you what this does. In advanced export, here you can see it shows you all of these here that you've got, plus it has the option here for settings, section timestamps. This allows you to add timestamps to it. So I'm going to add that, and I'm going to click all of these. Download. If I click on download over here, it will actually download it onto my computer, which is what I want to do. So I'm going to do that. And here it says download and save. Here we can see it's in a zip file format. There it is there. and it's onto my download. So I'm going to click on save. There it has brought this in and it's saved it. We can go download again, or we can go back. If we click on go back, come back to this screen. So I'm going to close that. That now has shown you how to do the downloads after a recording. If we click on new folder, it'll bring up a option here to actually create a folder. So I'm going to just tell it to create test folder. Create the folder. This folder is empty, so I'm not going to do anything further there, because now you've seen what happens with that over there. Rename the folder, export the folder, delete. An extremely handy feature that we have in TurboScribe is that you can, after having made a video on OBS that has got an audio track as well, you can bring it directly into TurboScribe and drop it in onto this screen over here. Once you have done that, it will transcribe the file when it has been uploaded, and you can use this to actually give you subtitles in Kdenlive when you're editing. So you will have the audio and the video with the subtitles, which is a fantastic situation, making your life so much easier. MKV file, and dropped it into here. Here you can see it's uploading the file, and this is a MKV file which is created from the open source broadcasting software OBS, because it is in a MKV format, which is the base format for OBS to record a video. And I've just brought this into TurboScribe, and I have asked it to already transcribe this, which it has done. So I'm going to just do it there, and then there you can see it is transcribing it under the whale mode. So that is bringing that file in. What is nice with this is you can bring in a video that you've created that's got audio and video and bring it straight into TurboScribe to be able to use this to get subtitles in your video that you've created, which is absolutely great. Having come to the end of the tutorial, I hope that it has been of a lot of benefit to you and that you will be able to do whatever it is that you're needing to do with it. So thank you for that. I would be grateful if you would click like and subscribe, because it helps me to be able to do more videos like this. And if you have any suggestions of any subjects that you would like me to do, I would be grateful for the input.